Okay, here we are at the lab where we're going to read a large data matrix code here, which is just about just under 2.5 inches in width and height. We're going to read it with the QX-Hawk liquid lens reader, which has a built-in light. You can see it's flashing away. It's in continuous read mode right now, or continuous 1, which means it's going to send the data once every second. Everything's built in, the light, the logic, the whole bit. So what we'll do is I have a tape measure set up here that goes all the way out to just about 5 feet, about 60 inches or so. And we have the reader hooked up to a PC, which will show you the data as it's read on the screen. So we'll start by taking this cart here, and we'll roll the cart right in front of the reader all the way out. I'll start with right at about 5 feet. And you can see right there we're reading it. I'll go over to the camera. You can see it flashes green when it gets a good read. And I'll go back over to the computer screen here. You can see the data popping up on the screen. Now we'll take it and we'll move the cart in closer, right around 2.5 feet, at which point we're getting up good reads again, flashing green, and data on the screen. Move the cart back. We'll go all the way in as close as 1 foot, and you can see again we're flashing green, and we have data on the screen. Now, just for another look at this, I'll go over to the computer here. I'm going to go into the setup mode so you can actually see the image on the screen. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Bear with me. And we'll do a capture and decode. So that's what the field of view looks like at 1 foot. I'll go back. We'll take the cart, we'll move it all the way out back to 5 feet. Set it down, go back over to the screen, do a capture and decode, and you can see what the field of view looks like at 5 feet. And you can see that's where we read it. There's our data on the screen. Sorry, it's kind of blurry, but you can get the idea. So that's it for our test today. Real successful. Larger barcode was the key in this case, to use everything internal on the reader. If we were to go with a smaller code, we would need a much brighter light to do this application. But to have an all-in-one system going with this is approximately 144 mil data matrix code. So hope you enjoyed the test.